I pulled out some pieces I've already had cut, some diamonds, some squares, and I pulled out a couple pieces of granite that were already warmed up. They were in the shop. I did grab a couple more from out, or a few more from outside, but they're frozen, so they're really cold and wet. And I do like these, so I think we'll go with these two right here. So this is the design I think I'm going to go with. I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with it. I just took a picture of it, so because what I need to do is pull this apart, put in a center line, at least a center line, and maybe a couple lines going across, at least down here maybe, and then I can start building it from there. And then these areas I'll have to cut custom pieces to go in there. Remember, here's where the edge is going to be, so I can't go over this line, but I need to go right to it. I don't know if you can see that in the video right there. Goes right up through there. It's kind of hard to see the lines on this dark background, but it'll be okay. I can see them. Well, right there you can see that one, depending on how the light is. We're also going to sand off the edges here because we're going to need to silicone these in once we're ready, because I can't screw them in or anything. We have to silicone them down, silicone them to the wood. And then the last thing, we'll tung oil the whole thing, including any edges that are still exposed. That will darken them up and make them look better. Okay, this is the exciting part. I enjoy doing the design part. I try to get multiple levels in here. And even the granites are two different thicknesses. This is a mountain mist. And this was a Bianco Antiquity or something like that. I should have left the stickers on while I videotaped. Okay, let's take it apart, get some lines in, and then we can start screwing them in. Oh, we have to sand too. We have to sand all these edges as we go. So before we put one in, we have to sand it. We're going to screw in from the bottom side. So we can first put our pilot holes in here, turn over this piece, put a little bit of a bevel countersink in there, and then we can screw them in once they're ready. Key is getting that first one on really good and getting these in so we get our line going, and then we can build out from there. And we'll leave these in. We're not going to fasten these in now. We'll get all the other pieces ready. So I'll stop and do a video midway and see how it's going.